Welcome in to today's stitch tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do the easy cobbled stitch, a lined cobble stitch. Now this is a one-sided pattern and it helps for those people that prefer their things nice and tidy and neat. This is a really good stitch. So you want to begin with multiples of 2 plus 2. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to do 14 because I want 12, so I'm doing the extra 2. In the second from the hook, so not this one because that doesn't count as a stitch. There's number 1, there's number 2. In there you want to do a single crochet and all the way along to the end. So once you have your row of single crochet, chain 1 at the end and turn. And now we begin the cobbling, as it were. Now in that same stitch, from where you've just done a chain, you want to do a single crochet in that same stitch. In the next stitch along, a treble or a triple, whichever you want to call it. So wrap twice and in, yarn over, bring through 2, yarn over, bring through 2, yarn over, bring through 2. In the next stitch along, a single crochet. In the next, a triple. So yarn over twice and go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 on your hook, sorry, blurry camera, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And in the following, a single crochet, and you continue that pattern of doing single, triple, single, triple, single, triple, all the way to the end. And as you can see, it's the triples that create the texture, the bump, and that's what we're looking for. These are the cobbles. So carry on until you get to the end. Okay, just on my last treble. So my last one, make sure you get that corner. My last one going into the corner is a single crochet. I'm going to chain 1, and from the one side where we have lots of bumps, we're going to the other which is nice and flat, and that's the way we want to keep it. So in the same stitch as you've just done your chain, you go in for a single and do a single all the way across the row. So I'm going in for the last single crochet now. And then when we turn, you can see all the bumps on one side and nice and flat on the other. And that is it. It's a 2-row repeat. You make sure you chain 1 on the end of every row, and that first stitch is a single crochet. Then your following is a treble, and continue that pattern across. Then you turn to make the singles on the next row. Then you're back to the cobbles once more. So let's just get to the end of this row. And this is great for things like bags, kitchenware, pillows and cushions. Something where it benefits that texture on one side, but the other side is either not seen or it doesn't matter so much. It's a great beginner advanced stitching. And you know what? It can even make a really nice pair of gloves. I don't know why I did a double there. Why did I do a double there? There we go. Going in for my last treble. And a single right on the end. I'm going to turn, chain one, and do one more row of singles for you. Okay, I'm going to use one of my hanky markers to hold that stitch in place. Details of those are found down in the description below, because I do sell them in any colour you like or combination of colours. Hook is made by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. She is also linked down below. Custom made any way you like. And there is your aligned cobble stitch. You see? So there it is. I'll hold it up deliberately so that you can see it with the texture. Give it a go. See what you think. And hopefully this tutorial has helped you out. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.